This is a Citroen, as you can see in the front. This is the Deux Chevaux. It's a little car, and when I first got this I was kind of disappointed because it came in a lot of other stuff, like most of the stuff we have that's open, and it says Paris here on the side, and I wasn't overly impressed with that. But the more I thought about it, the more I figured, well, it is a French car, so it's fine that it says Paris on it. It says it on the hood. It even says it on the boot lid there in the back. You also got a little gas fill thing there in chrome, which is pretty nice. I mean, it's got open top, and I don't know if it's like the other Wellies where they make one with an open top and one with a solid roof or a closed roof. I think all the Deux Chevaux have this little rag top thing on them. But yeah, this is a Welly. On the bottom here, you can't really see that. It should say Welly. That's upside down. Anyways, so yeah, there it is right there, Welly. And it says Citroen 2CV, which is, French would be Deux Chevaux. That's what it's called. They also call this the Duck, I guess, because it's kind of like a cute little duck car. And it has taillights on the back too, and it's got lensed headlights in the front. So I mean, Welly did a really cool job with this. I've had this for a while here. I always keep this one up on display. I kind of like these odd French cars. Hopefully we'll do some more reviews of some other French cars here in the future. But that's pretty much what we've got to look at right now. So I guess we'll just wait until next time and see you later. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.